Nice Stripe. Stripe was up in the chair, sound asleep. You coming, Tux? Come on, bud. There you go. That's my buddy. Good morning, bud. The deer haven't ate my impatiens. I kind of hide them in the corner over here, which doesn't always work, but... Oh, big stretch. Come here, bud. Hey, Morris. Good morning. Good morning, bud. Good morning. Marty, every morning. Fur. I don't know what I would do if he was in the house. Trying to get woke up this morning. It's a slow process today. It's so-so out here. It's not horrible and it's not nice either. It's somewhere in the middle, firmly in the middle. Johnny's got a haircut appointment this afternoon, but other than that, and Taekwondo because we switched nights. Other than that, today's not too busy. Hopefully we'll head out for a walk in a minute, but Don had a call out last night at like 11:30. He only talked to somebody for 15 minutes and he's on the phone with somebody this morning, probably about whatever went on last night. Hopefully he'll be able to break away. And we're off, but not to see the wizard. It's 9:30, so we're 30 minutes away from splash pad time. Sounds like they're doing some additional mowing up here today. They were mowing at the environmental park. We just don't park close to the curb when they are up there. It's all good. It's nice in the shade and it's not so great in the sun this morning. Thank goodness this track, parts of the track are in the shade. You get a break as you go around this track. Well, the town is remowing the field today, not to cut the grass, but the grass clippings were so thick to spread them out. It's working. It's looking better. I guess the other day when they mowed, the grass was really tall and really wet and it just left all these clumps, and out here it doesn't matter. But inside the ball field where they might be playing, that grass kind of matters a little more. All those lucky camp kids, they're getting to go on a field trip again. I mean, outside they got the playground and the splash pad, and I'm inside, you know, there's 2 basketball gyms in that building. They're side by side, so it's one big area. I'm sure they have plastic bowling pins and badminton and other things they can do, but there's, you know, an arts and crafts, but there's not a ton to do here. So I guess they supplement with these field trips. That's awesome. I want to be in summer camp. Yeah, this is the part of the walk I like. It's downhill, it's in the shade, and it signals that we're over halfway done with our walk. Hey, cute stuff. Hi. You gonna help me again today with my Legos, cutie patootie? So today is put away bricks day, a down day from building. I've got a surplus, an excess, a backlog. I think that's the word I want to use, of parts. These are from the Lego store, and I'm gonna start with that. I've got from 11:30 to 2:30, 3 hours. I'm probably just going to be sorting parts. It'll help me in the long run with making my building more fun in the future. You know, when you can find what you need and you have what you need, life is good. 177 Century Mode events in my own garage last night. I'm confused. Besides, it's turned off for in the garage. because we have other cameras on the car. Well, Johnny and I were out for just a short trip to the hair place by Walmart, and we're headed back home now. We'll be out again for Taekwondo a little later. So Ruby's cameras did say they finished calibrating yesterday, and even though I turned on navigate on autopilot or stuff under the autopilot settings, I still don't have the ability to engage traffic aware cruise control or autopilot today, and I didn't expect to, but if it had happened to just, you know, work for whatever reason, that would have been okay with that too. And after the first drive, I now have the subsequent autopilot cameras not available message that I've come to expect on this, you know, second drive each day. But it's all good. We're gonna get her fixed. We're gonna get the parts and we're gonna get her fixed. Dropping Johnny off for Taekwondo, and I got in the car again. 43 Century events. I've got to go check the settings and figure out what's going on. I'm gonna head into Walmart. I just confirmed that yeah, Ruby's been doing that. You hit the little car icon and a lot of times it's white, and then if you hit it a second time it comes up. That's been happening for a while, most of this year probably. So anyway, under safety, that's where Sentry mode is, right? So it's on, and for some reason, exclude home is not checked. So I don't know why that happened, but I fixed it now. And I was gonna say, I thought when I got in the car after service, despite putting it in the service seat configuration, service user profile, that my seat was farther back than normal, and I moved it up and hit save. I wonder why it keeps on switching out of service for them, because I'm sure they're not moving my seat around on purpose. But anyway, what in the world would Ruby have been even like recording? Because let's launch the viewer. I mean, in the garage, the cats aren't going in there. The sun, I mean, there's like the sun moving through that door, but yeah, let's see, Sentry. All right, well, there's all these events at Tesla from the 18th, so maybe it's just still trying to tell me about all the Sentry events at Tesla, because I don't see anything for today or yesterday. These are all from the 18th. This is not Ruby, obviously. This is a different car. I would have thought it would have been off in there. You know, usually they turn it off. Okay. I did get nearly all of the Lego bricks sorted. I did a time lapse. You'll see I was really moving through some stuff. Almost all the stuff that I bought from the Pick a Brick Wall this year is sorted in the bins. There was at least 3 of those cups and a few other things, and I have plenty more sorting to do if I wanted to. I'd say at least 6 Ziploc gallon size that are pretty full, that have bricks that I think are worth sorting, that I've brought home from Guardian Angel. But no rush, as I, you know, feel like working on it. It's no fun to do it nonstop for days, but you know, in between projects, you gotta do a day or 2 of sorting to clean up the project. If I did need a trash can, I would definitely take you home. Well, there wasn't anything fun at Walmart tonight. No great clearance. I bought a card and a couple of candles, and that's it. I did go down the Lego aisle. Nothing new. I went down the Hot Wheels aisle, basically empty and nothing new. I looked at clearance clothes, nothing interesting.